Hey, Greg Spindler here. Welcome back to the channel. I got the pleasure of working with some recreational ice hockey players. And have you ever heard of lace bite, where the laces come up and they put too much tension on the anterior tendons of the foot here? They come down here. If you pull your foot towards your nose, Zach, you'll see it pop up there. But relax here. Also underneath that, we have our talus bone, which can get sticky on that tendon too from the laces being wrapped on there too tight. So not only do we want to work that talus juncture with our fingertips to open it up, but later we got to grab a hold of the heel here, do a separation, a little traction out, then use our web of our hand, go in there and grab that talus bone actually, and go medial and lateral, moving it back and forth, getting all that tissue off that bone and off that tendon to where when that person stands up, it's nice and free again, so the lace bite will go away. Have a great day.